Good morning, my dear students. You are with Mrs. Srilata. With a prayer to Lord Almighty to keep my dear students and the members of their family hale and hearty, let me continue with my English literature classes for class 10th. In the last class, literature class, we started with Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 1. Let me recapitulate whatever we learned in Act 3, Scene 1. In Act 3, Scene 1, Salanio and Salerno are on the street of Venice, and Salanio has brought the sad tidings that one of Antonio's ships has run aground. Shylock enters, accusing them of having prior knowledge of his daughter's shameful plans. They proudly admit to it with the taunt that she is so unlike Shylock. Shylock has heard of Antonio's loss and tells them that Antonio better beware of the bond. Shylock delivers an impassioned speech about being human like them and almost tips the scales in his favor. The audience sees him as a victim of prejudice and injustice, but by insisting upon his revenge, he loses that sympathy. So, this is what we saw in the last class. Let me continue with Act 3, Scene 1. And here, in Act 3, Scene 1, line number 66. After Shylock's speech, a servant enters and informs Salerno and Salanio that Antonio was waiting for them, and all the three go away from the scene. Then enters Shylock's close friend Tubal. Tubal is a rich Jew. You must be remembering in Act 1 when Antonio asked money from Shylock, he said that he did not have enough money to give to Antonio, that is 3,000 ducats at that time. So he wanted to take from Tubal. Tubal is Shylock's close friend and a rich Jew. And here Shylock had sent him to find out his daughter Jessica. So when Tubal entered, Shylock asked him, "How now, Tubal? What news from Geneva? Hast thou found my daughter?" He was very anxious to know about his daughter. He is asking him, "Have you found my daughter? Did you get any news about her?" Tubal gives the answer, "I often came where I did hear of her, but cannot find her. I went everywhere." He went everywhere, but he could not find Jessica. So Shylock got disappointed. He says, "Why there? A diamond gone. Cost me 2,000 ducats in Frankfurt. The curse never fell upon our nation till now. I never felt it till now. 2,000 ducats in that, and other precious jewels. I would my daughter were dead at my foot, and the jewels in her ear. Would she were hearsed at my foot, and the ducats in her coffin. No news of them? Why so? And I know not what spent in the search. Why the loss upon loss? The thief gone with so much, and so much to find the thief, and no satisfaction, no revenge. Nor no ill luck stirring, but what lights on my shoulders. No sighs, but of my breathing. No tears, but of my shedding." So, here, Shylock's these lines or this speech, this is where Shylock loses our sympathy. This is really deplorable, this part or these words. So here, Shylock says that, "Why, I have lost my diamond." And what was the cost of the diamond? 2,000 ducats. And he got it from Frankfurt. And he says that this is the first time such a curse fell upon his nation, Jewish race. So here, never before has this evil fate fall upon their race. Shylock is selfish here. He looks upon his misfortunes as a blow to the Jewish race. Perhaps Jessica's falling away from the Jewish faith could be a curse. So Jessica married or eloped with Lorenzo, who is a Christian. Jessica has left Jewish race and she's going to turn into a Christian. So he feels that this is a curse upon Jewish race. And he says that nobody is there to sympathize with him. Only his tears are there. And only his breathing is heard, deep breathing is heard. And only his tears are there. And nobody is there helping him. And he feels that why this loss upon loss for him? He had spent lot to search Jessica. And Jessica had taken lot with her. So he lost so much money, so much precious jewels or precious, stones, all that. So what did Tubal did? What did Tubal do? Yes, other men have ill luck too, Antonio, as I heard in Geneva. So here what does Tubal do? He is trying to cheer up Shylock. He knows that whenever he talks about Antonio or Antonio's losses, Shylock feels cheered up. So he is trying to cheer him up. Then and there, sometimes he is making him happy or he elevates his spirit, then brings him down. Shylock, what? Ill luck? He felt so excited to hear that. Tubal, hath an Argosy cast away, coming from Tripolis. He gives the news that Antonios and Argosy is a rich cargo ship, got wrecked while sailing from Tripolis. I thank God. Is it true? He's so happy. He got charged up hearing this news. I spoke with some of the sailors that escaped the wreck. So from where Tubal got the news? Tubal got the news from some of the sailors who escaped the wreck. Shylock, I thank thee. Good Tubal, good news. Ha. Where? In Geneva? Where it got wrecked? In Geneva it got wrecked. He got charged up. He's so happy. He got elevated by hearing that wreckage of the ship of, hearing the news of the wreckage of the ship of Antonio. Tubal, again he is trying to put him down. Your daughter spent in Geneva, as I heard, in one night fourscore decades. So he again put him down or brought him down, and he says that I heard, some of the people told me that your daughter Jessica spent fourscore decades for one night. So one score means 20, fourscore means 80. For one night, your daughter spent 80 decades. Shylock got again very sad. He felt very sad hearing this, disappointed. Those tickets a dagger in me. He says that you are stabbing me with a dagger. I shall never see my gold again. Fourscore ducats at a sitting? Fourscore ducats? He is not able to believe this. At a sitting, at a time. She has spent fourscore ducats. So we know that Shylock is miser. He is a miser and he doesn't like to spend money. That's why he is giving this expression. And Tubal, there came divers of Antonio's creditors in my company to Venice. That's where he cannot choose but break. So he is trying to elevate his spirit. Tubal says that, so I met so many people. Antonio's creditors came with me to Venice and they know that now he is not going to escape. He is going to be bankrupt. Shylock, I am very glad of it. I'll plague him. I'll torture him. I am glad of it. Shylock felt very happy and I am very glad to hear it. I will persecute him. I will torture him. Oh, I am glad of hearing this. Tubal, one of them showed me a ring that he had of your daughter for a company. So one person from the Geneva showed Tubal a ring which Jessica had sold for a herd of monkey, for a group of monkey. And that was a shock for Shylock. Out upon her. So shame on her. Though torturous me, Tubal. It was my turquoise. I had it of late when I was a bachelor. He says that you are torturing me again. Once you are giving good news and after that you are torturing me. And that was the ring which I had given. I had given to wife Lay gave it to me. That is, his wife Lay gave to Shylock. That was a ring. And I would not have given it for a wilderness of monkeys. Even for a group of monkeys, I would not have given it to anybody. Then again, Tubal is trying to cheer him up. But Antonio is certainly undone. Antonius gone. He is totally ruined. Shylock. Nay, that's true. That's very true. Go, Tubal. Fee me an officer. So yes, that is true. Antonius got totally gone. He got ruined. So continue with our work. Let us continue with our work. Tubal, you go and hire a law officer for me and pay him advance fees and engage him a fortnight in advance and bespeak him a fortnight before. I will have the heart of him. If he forfeit, for were he out of Venice, I can make what merchandise I will. Go, Tubal, and meet me at our synagogue. Go, good Tubal, at our synagogue. Tubal. So here Shylock is very happy. He got a chance to take revenge. He's asking Tubal to arrange a law officer and to prepare everything to fulfill the bond. And he says that I am going to take a pound of flesh near his heart. From near his heart he is going to take a pound of flesh. So we know that he is going to die. Antonio is going to die. And what is the benefit for Shylock of his death? Antonio's death. That is, if Antonio is out from Venice, people will not have any other option except to take money from Shylock. Nobody will be there to give people money without taking interest. And they will have to take money from Shylock. So that is the benefit. So he is asking Tubal to go and arrange a law officer and keep all the papers ready so he can continue with his forfeiture. Thank you, children. And I request everyone to take the book and read it again and again, understand the things, and go to the workbook. Thank you.